Next on the continuation of the previous class. Now we can see next definition distribution function. It is also known as cumulative distribution function. Distribution function or cumulative distribution function. Let capital X is a random variable we can take. The cumulative distribution function, it is shortly known as CDF, denoted by capital F of X. Capital F of X is defined by the probability of X less than or equal to a particular X. Cumulation up to X, whether it is a discrete or continuous. We can define this as for the cases of continuous and discrete. First one, summation for all xi less than or equal to x, p of xi. If x is a discrete random variable and it is equal to integral minus infinity up to small x f of x dx, if capital X is a continuous random variable. Okay, this is the definition of cumulative distribution function. Now we can write some note based on the probability mass, density and cumulative distribution function. When X is a continuous random variable, P of A less than or equal to X less than or equal to B, P of A less than X less than or equal to B, P of A less than or equal to X less than B, or P of A strictly less than X less than B, all four are equal for a continuous random variable, but they are not equal in discrete case. Once you know f of x, if capital F of x, the cumulative distribution function is known, then we can write small f of x equal to the derivative, how we are getting by integration capital F of x. Likewise, when you know capital F of x, you can find its derivative to get the probability density function. As well as P of x, the probability mass function can be derived by means of subtraction. There we used addition, here we have to use it as subtraction to get its probability mass function. Next, properties of CDF. This is very, very important. Properties of CDF. First one is f of x is an increasing function. Increasing function. That means if a less than b means, then cumulative distribution function at a is also less than or equal to f of b. Second point, capital F of x is also lies between 0 and 1. Third point, when x tends to infinity, capital F of x value is 1, and limit x tends to minus infinity, capital F of x equal to 0. And one another thing, probability mass function properties we can see as results. First point, P of x less than or equal to infinity is 1. P of x less than or equal to minus infinity is 0. Here also, it is also increasing function. And The complementary property also we can apply here. For example, P of x less than or equal to x is nothing but 1 minus P of x greater than x. You understood these all points? Next, mathematical expectation. Mathematical expectation. Mathematical expectation, its operator is E. Here we can take x as a random variable, either kind of discrete or continuous. Its expectation, mathematical expectation is defined by E of x. We can define it in the discrete case. For all x belongs to capital X, x into P of x equal to x. If x is a discrete random variable. Likewise, the integral minus infinity to infinity x f of x dx, if x is a continuous random variable. Next, mathematical calculation, variance. Variance of x, it is denoted by VAR of x or sigma square. That is equal to, we can define easily by means of E operator, E of x squared minus E of x the whole square. Where E of x, you know how to calculate, it is given there itself. E of x squared, how can you calculate this? E of x squared is nothing but, for discrete and continuous both the cases I write it here. If it is discrete, summation overall x squared P of x. If x is a discrete random variable. Likewise, integral overall x belongs to its range space, x squared into f of x dx. If x is a continuous random variable. Easily you can understand that E is an operator which operates what comes inside the bracket. Its terms should be multiplied with the probability mass function or probability density function, and taking integral overall the existing space is known as expected value of that variable. Next concept is moments. The earth moment about origin is defined by mu r dash. Mu r dash is nothing but E of x power r. It is also known as raw moment. Now you know how to define this one. Just now I told whatever the E operator operates the variable, how it comes I explain, you know. So E of x power r equal to mu r dash, that is equal to, for the discrete case, for all x power r P of x. Here it is integral overall x belongs to its range space, x power r f of x dx. Here if x is a discrete random variable, if x is a continuous random variable. Similarly, we can define one another moment, that is known as central moment. Central moment is nothing but moment about is mean. That means mu r, the moment about mean. Mean means here origin we study now, it is understood x minus 0 whole power r. So that here we can write it as x minus x bar to the power r. So how can you define for the discrete case, for all x minus x bar the whole power r P of x, if x is a discrete random variable. Integral overall x minus x bar to the power r f of x dx, if x is a continuous random variable. These are all the definitions of central and raw moments. Now we can see the mean and variance can be derived by means of moments. How it comes? We can see it. Particularly, E of x, it is mean. What is mean? X to the power of r is mu r dash. So when we take r dash is 1 dash. This is mean. So first moment about origin is mean. Expected value of x is nothing but mean. Variance of x is E of x squared minus E of x the whole square. That is equal to mu 2 dash minus mu 1 dash the whole square. Okay, now we can see the relation between mu r dash, that is raw moments, and mu r the central moments. Mu r equal to mu r dash minus rc, r minus 1, or we can write it as rc, r minus 1 mu r minus 1 dash mu 1 dash plus rc r minus 2 mu r minus 2 dash mu 1 dash the whole squared plus etc. It goes like that till the last value minus 1 whole power r mu 1 dash to the power r. This is the relation between rth moment about origin and rth moment about mean. By means of this result, we can relate mu r by replacing r equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. You can get mu r in terms of mu r dash. All four relations are important. You try to substitute these things to get the relations. We can see the remaining in the next video. Thank you.